Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to take the ASX for a wash, and while we're at it, I'm going to give you a cold start. I think the battery is on its last legs, and before we go get a wash, I'm going to show you what the car looks like now. Okay, since we've got that out of the way, many people ask me on TikTok what do you use to record POV videos. I don't have it on right now, so I can show it to you. This is the thing. This is where the phone mounts, and you can tighten it using this. And this is the strap that I wear on my head. It is adjustable, and it is really comfortable. It has this silicone lining on the inside. It's really comfortable, and I got it for 25 dirhams on Amazon. But I think the offer is over, and the original price was like 100 plus dirhams. So if you guys are looking for something similar, just take a look. Maybe you can find something on Temu as well. Nonetheless, let's begin with our day. This is what the car looks like now after the wash. And this wasn't any special full wash. It was just the wash at the parking lot in the gift market. Here's how it looks like with better lighting, and I can't stress this enough, guys. Having a clean car is game changing. Plus, stay tuned for more exciting videos since the National Day is coming up, and there will be more interesting content. Thank you.